This has been my favorite LXR hotel so far, and my little ones absolutely love it too. The resort was originally Bayentre Ugasan, which operated from 2009 to 2020. It reopened as Umana Bali LXR Hotels and Resort in November of 2023, becoming the first ever LXR property in Southeast Asia under the Hilton brand. All accommodations are spacious, stand-alone villas, starting at a massive 4,340 square feet. Each villa comes with a private infinity pool and a hot tub, a large deck with lounge chairs and a day bed, outdoor dining areas, outdoor shower, and even your own frangipani tree in bloom. Inside, the villas offer a generous living and dining space, a guest bathroom, and an enormous master bath completed with a deep soaking tub, his or hers vanity, and a full dressing area. This resort is extremely family friendly. Kids under 6 eat free at all restaurants on site, which is perfect for family traveling with little ones. One of my favorite features, the floor-to-ceiling sliding doors in the bedroom. You can step straight into your pools from your bed. This is a large resort, and with its hilly layout, staff use buggies to zip gas around the villas to restaurant, the lobby, and the pool. Super convenient. The kids club wasn't crowded when we visited. Kids age 4 and up can play without a parent, which gave adults a little break too. While the resort offers incredible cliff-top ocean view, getting to the beach does take a little effort. You can take the free shuttle or ride a buggy partway and then walk down around 100 steps. Honestly, it is easy and so worth it. And tip, don't miss the nearby Lover's Cliff. I didn't realize how close it was until too late. You can walk or ask the shuttle to take you there. Breakfast at Umana was delicious with a wide variety of options, definitely something for everyone.